Alright, in front of you, you have the Anker Soundcore Motion Plus. Bit of a mouthful, so much so that it reminds me of my Uncle Stan. Well, used to, I guess. Don't see much of my Uncle Stan anymore. Came to realize it wasn't even my uncle. Anyway, we have a 12 track playlist here. Play about a minute to 90 seconds of each song. Good bit of each genre, so we'll be playing around 60% volume. I'll keep it the same the whole way, so here we go.
Well, I started on the whiskey pretty early this morning. That's alright. I was up all night, but I passed out before the sun came up. I really wanted to see one of those. I know that's no way for a man to behave, with a mortgage due and a baby on the way. But somehow I made it to where I'm at. It's been a living, as a matter of fact. I get a bad attitude from being tired and running round. Never asked for anyone to say they like my sound. I've never been a part of any musical scenes. I ain't just talking Nashville, if you know what I mean. They don't write about me in their magazines. I don't ask for no reviews on.
I'm waking up to ash and dust. I wipe my brow and I sweat my rust. I'm breathing in the chemicals. I'm breaking in, I'm shaping up, then checking out on the prison bus. This is it, the apocalypse. Oh, I'm waking up, I feel it in my bones, enough to make my system blow. Welcome to the new age,
About a foot
to
away.
the new age. Welcome to the new age, to the new age. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Radioactive, radioactive. Whoa, whoa, radioactive, radioactive.
I can ride my bike with no handlebars, no handlebars, no handlebars. I can ride my bike with no handlebars, no handlebars, no handlebars. Look at me, hands in the air like it's good to be alive. And I'm a famous rapper, even when the paths are all crooked D. I can show you how to do-si-do, I can show you how to scratch a record. I can take apart the remote control, and I can almost put it back together. I can tie a knot in a cherry stem, I can tell you about Leif Erikson. I know all the words to De Colores, and I'm proud to be an American. Me and my friends saw a platypus, me and my friend made a comic book, and guess how long it took? I can do anything that I want, cause look, I can keep rhythm with no metronome, no metronome, no metronome. And I can see your face on the telephone, on the telephone, on the telephone. Look at me, just called to say that it's good to be alive in such a small...
what she do. Don't care about what she done. Don't care about who you knew. Don't make you anyone. Don't care how much you got. Don't care how much you make. Don't talk about what you're not. Don't play the record straight. No need to put it front. No need to lay it down. Say people are too hard trying to get it wrong. Captured effortlessly, that's the way it was. Happened so naturally, I did not know it was love. The next thing I felt was you holding me close. What was I gonna do? I let myself go, and now we're flying through the stars. I hope this night will last forever. Oh, 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 oh. Ain't nobody loves me better. Makes me happy, makes me feel this way. Ain't nobody loves me better than you. I've been waiting for you, it's been so long. I knew just what I would do when I heard your song. You filled my heart with a kiss, gave me freedom. You knew I could not resist. I need.
was a long time coming, but plain to see. When I held his shaking hand, he couldn't look at me. He said something about losing the will to go on.
Awesome tweeters.
He looked off into the distance. I knew his mind had gone. He lights a candle. It has a soft kind of glow. He's scared of the dark, but he won't let nobody know. 'Cause when the midnight demons are creeping through the night, he knows they'll get to him when he's run out of fight.
Shot is slowly taken. The violence calls our silence. Who are we mistaken? But you see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, they are right there with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they are crying. In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie.
Last one.
On this journey through these darkened days, we've kinda lost our way. Took some doors we'd never take, but there you were, right beside me. You never left me alone, even when you were feeling down. I want to tell you that I was afraid. I could feel my life fade away, but then you changed my life forever, and you showed me how to love again.
Alright, that just about settles it. So, it's an excellent sounding speaker. It's got a good bit of volume to it. I'd say at lower volumes is actually fairly competitive with the Exos 9s. Right there. You can even see, let me get rid of that. There you go. The Exos 9s right there. It's actually fairly competitive to those. But obviously at higher volumes this reduces bass so it doesn't distort, but it still has nice treble. It sounds good. I think I'll probably get another one in a couple months just so I can have two for wireless stereo, like what I did with the Iowas over there. Anyway, I don't make this video too long. Thanks for watching. See ya.